For years, the Nikon Z7 II has been a trusted tool for professionals seeking the perfect balance of image quality, resolution, and reliability. Yet, as the Z8 carved its place as a fast, hybrid powerhouse and Sony continued to push the boundaries of high-resolution imaging, the Z7 II began to feel increasingly conservative. Nikon's answer to this challenge is the upcoming Z7 III, a camera that promises to redefine high-resolution mirrorless photography. Based on the most credible leaks, supply chain insights, and industry analysis, the Z7 III is more than a refresh. It is a bold statement about what modern professional imaging should be. At the core of the Z7 III is a staggering 67-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, designed to maximize micro-contrast and tonal richness. Unlike stacked sensors, which prioritize speed, this high-efficiency backside-illuminated architecture focuses on capturing as much light as possible per pixel while minimizing noise. The result is an image quality that remains astonishingly clean even in low-light conditions. Early reports suggest a dynamic range of 15.5 stops at base ISO, placing the Z7 III on par with medium-format cameras that cost significantly more. For landscape, architectural, and commercial photographers who demand nuance and depth in every shot, this sensor represents a transformative leap forward. Handling such massive image data requires tremendous processing power, and Nikon has reportedly equipped the Z7 III with the new EXPEED processor. This isn't a minor upgrade, it is purpose-built to handle 67-megapixel RAW files while driving a sophisticated AI-powered autofocus system. The Z7 III is rumored to feature predictive path mapping, which anticipates subject movement even when partially obscured by obstacles like trees, props, or flowing garments. For wildlife photographers in dense environments or fashion photographers tracking dynamic movements, this AI system offers a level of accuracy previously unseen in a Nikon stills camera. Color science is another area of innovation. Following Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, the Z7 III reportedly integrates red-inspired color profiles, allowing photographers to achieve cinematic skin tones and highlight roll-off directly in camera. This is a first for Nikon stills cameras and positions the Z7 III as a bridge between traditional high-resolution photography and cinematic imaging, giving professionals a new palette of creative possibilities. Video capabilities are also impressive. Rumors indicate internal 8K recording at 30 fps and 4K at 60 fps in 12-bit RAW, essentially delivering flagship-level video performance in a body optimized for high-resolution stills. This hybrid functionality ensures that photographers can capture both stills and motion without compromise, making the Z7 III a versatile tool for modern professional workflows. Ergonomically, the Z7 III has been rethought from the ground up. The previous Z7 II's limited tilt screen has been replaced by a 4-axis multi-angle touch screen, enabling waist-level, high-angle, and vertical compositions with ease. Weather sealing has been reinforced to Pro Shield standards previously reserved for the Z9, ensuring the camera can handle extreme environments, from humid rainforests to Arctic landscapes. Nikon has clearly designed a body that can be trusted in the field under the most demanding conditions. The choice between the Z7 III and the Z8 comes down to purpose. While the Z8 is a heavy, fast hybrid designed for action and event photography, the Z7 III is a purist's instrument, prioritizing resolution, tonal fidelity, and detail. Its lighter body makes it ideal for long hikes, extended studio sessions, or field work where weight and fatigue can affect performance. It is a camera that achieves maximum detail without imposing a massive physical footprint, offering professionals the tools they need without compromise. Storage and workflow considerations have also been addressed. The Z7 III is expected to feature dual card slots compatible with CF Express Type B and high-speed SDUHS2 cards, ensuring flexibility and speed for large file handling. Meanwhile, the electronic viewfinder has reportedly been upgraded to 5.76 million dots with a 120 Hz refresh rate and blackout-free viewing. This provides a fluid, ultra-sharp experience even when manually focusing or evaluating fine details in complex high-resolution compositions. In-body image stabilization has also been enhanced, offering up to 8 stops of compensation. This allows photographers to capture tack-sharp images handheld, even in low light or when using longer lenses, reducing reliance on tripods and increasing creative flexibility. Combined with the camera's ergonomic redesign, the Z7 III becomes a field-ready, high-resolution powerhouse capable of producing clean, detailed imagery under challenging conditions. Current industry projections suggest a mid-2026 announcement, with an expected retail price around $3,499. At this price, the Z7 III undercuts most medium format systems while offering access to Nikon's Z-mount lens ecosystem, AI autofocus advancements, and unmatched resolution. Nikon is not simply aiming to keep pace, it is redefining the expectations for what a professional high-resolution mirrorless camera can achieve. The Z7 III represents a convergence of traditional photographic values with modern digital innovation. Its massive sensor, cinematic color science, predictive AI autofocus, and ergonomic design come together in a tool that respects the craft of photography while embracing the future of imaging. For photographers ready to move beyond older DSLRs or first-generation mirrorless systems, this camera promises an upgrade path that prioritizes image fidelity, tonal nuance, and workflow efficiency. The 67-megapixel sensor alone is poised to set a new benchmark in high-resolution mirrorless photography, likely prompting competitors to rethink their own strategies. Nikon has combined resolution, color science, and intelligent automation into a single, portable, professional-grade package. Photographers preparing for the 2026 transition will need to consider not only the camera itself but also storage, processing power, and workflow updates to fully leverage its capabilities. For those seeking a professional tool that combines detail, color fidelity, AI-powered precision, and field-ready design, the Z7 III delivers on all fronts. It challenges the notion that speed alone defines a camera's worth and demonstrates that resolution, tonal richness, and precision remain at the heart of professional imaging. The future of high-resolution mirrorless photography is here, and Nikon has clearly staked its claim at the forefront with the Z7 III.